Alright, so you've decided to kickstart your fitness journey with an abs workout for beginners. Let's get those core muscles fired up and ready to go. First up, we've got the classic crunches. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground using your core muscles, then lower back down with control. Remember to breathe throughout the movement and focus on engaging your abs. Next, we have the plank. Get into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles the entire time. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds to start. Moving on to Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor beside you with each twist. This exercise targets your obliques and helps improve your core stability. Now, let's try leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight. Lift your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight, then slowly lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. This exercise works your lower abs and helps strengthen your core. Lastly, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring your knees towards your chest, and lift your shoulders off the ground. Extend your right leg out while bringing your left knee towards your chest, then switch sides in a pedaling motion. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a strong core. Start with these exercises, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps each, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. And most importantly, listen to your body and take rest when needed. So there you have it, a beginner-friendly abs workout to get you on the path to a stronger core. Stay committed, stay focused, and you'll be rocking those washboard abs in no time. Let's do this.